Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So Nokia has been on top of the line introducing the Nokia P1 Ultra 2025, a device that redefines smartphone innovation. With a staggering 250 MP camera, every photo taken transforms into a masterpiece, capturing vivid colors and intricate details that your eyes might miss. Imagine standing on a vibrant city street and snapping a picture. The photos are lifelike, brimming with clarity from every angle, making your adventures come alive. Equipped with a powerful 9000 mAh battery, this phone ensures that you stay connected longer than ever before. Visualize traveling across the globe without the constant worry of finding an outlet. Whether you're capturing moments, streaming videos, or browsing the web, this battery promises longevity and resilience. Picture a full day of use uninterrupted, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Experience next-level performance with the Nokia P1 Ultra 2025 as it seamlessly handles multitasking with advanced processing capabilities. Envision playing graphic-intensive games or running multiple apps without a hitch. The device is designed to keep up with your fast-paced lifestyle, providing effortless transitions and rapid responses. The stunning display complements its robust performance, enveloping you in a world where high definition meets user-friendly navigation. For anyone seeking to elevate their smartphone experience, the Nokia P1 Ultra 2025 not only promises power and portability, but elevates it into the realm of the extraordinary. Embrace the future with a device that encapsulates elegance, craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology all in your hands. Let me know what you think about the device in the comment. So that is it guys. If you are new here, please subscribe, follow by the bell, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace out.